What's up, guys? I'm Kenny and welcome back to my channel. And as you can see today, I'm working on the GMC Envoy again, and I've been throwing codes saying that the camshaft position actuator solenoid is not working, so my exhaust cam is advanced. So I'm going to be changing that, and everybody's saying that if you change that, you should change the position sensor too, you know, like as a pair. So I have a new one right here that I just got, which they have an upgraded version one that has springs that holds these screens in, which I ordered that, but they didn't send me the correct one. But I don't want to go through all the trouble to have to return it and everything. And then I also got a new position sensor here. So that's what we're going to be getting into today. So first off, we want to unhook these harnesses on the sensors. And then there's a 10mm bolt right here, and this just slides out. But it sticks in there a good ways, so I'm probably going to have to loosen the power steering pump and slide it over, have enough room to pull it out. So let's get started. So there's little safety clips on these harnesses. There's one. Alright, and that already popped out, so there's that one. So now here's a bolt right there, right there. It's 10mm, so we'll loosen that up. Okay, there's that. Now, got a screwdriver. I'm gonna try to pry it out. I said. I can get in here somewhere. Let's see. Twist this some. Yeah, that loosens it up. Anyway, so we got it loose. So now I'm gonna slide the pump over. So first off, I need to take the belt off. Which I don't have a serpentine tool, but I need one. So I'm using a 3/8 ratchet. Okay, so the belt's loose. So now you can see the pulley here. There's holes in it to get to the bolts. There's 3 bolts. You got one at 12 o'clock, one at 3 o'clock, and one at 6 o'clock. So I'm going to take the top 2 out and loosen the bottom one and just pivot the whole pump over. And those are a 13 millimeter. While I'm at it, check the pump. Bearings feel good in it, so that's always good. Alright, it's loose. Pump don't really have a lot of give to move, but it might be enough. So now, try to get the actuator. So now that I got her loose, see, it'll slide. I gotta get this pump the rest of the way out of the way. So I'm reckoning I'm gonna have to take the last bolt out completely, because it don't have enough give to clear. Almost though. Yep, gonna have to finish taking that bolt out. Alright, so now it's completely out of the way. So, make sure you guys can see here. And it just slides right out. Well, I'd say all the screens are in place. It's got a little bit of sludge in there. They say you can plug it up to a battery. I don't remember which terminal is which. One's hot, one's negative. And you'll see it turn inside, and that's how you know if it's good or not. But I'm not going to go through all that since I already got a new one. So on the new one, we gotta grease the O-ring when we slide it in. That way it don't roll up on us, and that way it'll make a good seal. So I'm gonna find some grease and then we'll go from there. Okay guys, I put a little grease on the O-ring. So now it's time to just slide her in there, and hopefully it goes as easy as I say it. And it did. So now you just put the bolt back in. So now that she's in there and all bolted up, it's just a matter of plugging it back up, putting the pump back, putting the belt back. So I'm not going to record all that boring stuff, but I'll just get back to you when I start on the position sensor. But I'd like to take a moment here to say that only 5% of people that watch my videos is subscribed. So smash that subscribe button. I mean, the worst that could happen, you don't like it and you can unsubscribe, but go ahead, give it a click and like the video. Alright, so let's get this buttoned up. Okay guys, so I got the harness plugged back in, I got the pump bolted back up. I haven't put the belt back on yet because I'm thinking it might be in the way to do the position sensor. So moving on to the sensor here, this is a 10mm bolt under here, you can see it on the bottom here. So we're going to take that loose and see if we can slide it out. That came loose easy. There's that bolt. So now it moves, see? Now I'm just pulling it out here. Hopefully. She's pretty crowded, dirty. I don't think it's bad, but I mean, I already have one, so might as well change it. Okay, so I have the new one. I greased the O-ring, so now let's just make sure there's no corrosion or anything in there. So now it's just a matter of popping it back in. Hopefully it goes easy. Just like that. Then you line up your tab and put the bolt back in. Which, I'll be honest with you, it's hard to see under there. Alright, so now go ahead and plug it in, which my harness is broke, but the wires look good, so shouldn't be a problem. Put your little clip back. This little fine dandy thing. Alright, now I just got to put the belt on. But on that note, I'm going to let you go now. So, like I said, that's all there is to it. Smash that like button if you like this video. And stay tuned. There's a lot more I got to do to this thing. So, just to help you fellows out there that's got an Envoy or a Trailblazer, stay tuned. And on that note, make sure you like and subscribe. Bye.